Hello, my name is Livia, and I want to uh, present my work. Here, I want to present about energy shock and supply chains disruption, the global impact of the Russia and Ukraine war. Uh, my, the Russia and Ukraine war, which began in February 2022, triggered one of the largest global economic disruptions in the recent decades. Both countries are key exporters of essential commodities such as oil, gas, coal, and wheat. The conflict led to sharp increases in energy prices, global inflation, and instability in trade flows. This presentation explores how this event reshapes global markets and supply networks. The conflict has gone beyond political and military boundaries. It has reshaped global economic relations, energy dependence, trade policies, and supply chain systems are now being restructured worldwide. Understanding this impact is crucial to analyzing the current global economic transition. Therefore, this study focuses on two key dimensions: energy shocks and supply chain disruption. And opinion expressions. In my opinion, the global economic change caused by Russia and Ukraine war have created more inequality and instability rather than sustainable growth. While some countries and industries benefit from rising energy prices, most developing nations face inflation, supply shortage, and slower recovery after the pandemic. These effects expose the vulnerability of global trade system and unequal dependence on major powers. Although certain countries, especially energy exporters, gain short-term profits from higher oil and gas prices, the majority of nations, particularly developing ones, suffer from inflation, increased production costs, and disruption in trade. This situation widened the economic gap between rich and poor countries and highlighted how fragile global supply chains really are. Instead of creating equal opportunities for growth, the crisis has shown that global dependence can quickly turn into vulnerability when conflicts occur. Therefore, I believe the change emphasizes the need for a more resilient and diversified global economy where growth is not concentrated in a few powerful countries. There are eight arguments. Number one is the Russia and Ukraine war caused a major energy shock, disrupting oil and gas supply worldwide. Number two, energy exporting countries gain profits, but import-dependent nations face inflation as fiscal stress. Number three, rising fuel prices slowed economic recovery after the pandemic. Number four, this situation deepens global inequality between rich and developing economies. The first major impact of the Russia-Ukraine war is the global energy shock. When Russia oil and gas exports were restricted to sanctions, global prices rose dramatically. Oil even exceeded $120 per barrel. Developed and energy exporting countries such as the United States and Saudi Arabia benefit from higher revenues. However, developing nations like Indonesia face higher fuel subsidies and inflation, which burdened the state budget. As a result, the gap between wealthy and poorer nations widened. While some countries profited, many others struggled to recover from the pandemic and rising living costs. This clearly shows that the war created unequal economic outcomes across the world. And then the argument number five, the conflict disrupted global supply chains for food, fertilizer, and raw materials. Number six, shortage increased production costs and delayed global trade. Number seven, small business and developing countries suffered most. Number eight, this disruption caused economic instability and slowed global growth. The second key impact in is on global supply chains. Russia and Ukraine are major exporters of wheat, fertilizer, and industrial metals. When the war began, shipping routes through the Black Sea were blocked, causing shortage price hikes worldwide. Many countries in Asia and Africa struggle to import essential goods. Manufacturing industries face delays and higher costs, which push global inflation even higher. This disruption proves how fragile and interconnected global trade has become. Instead of creating opportunities for equal growth, the war led to greater economic instability, especially for developing economies that depend heavily on imports. Their oil prices. The Russia-Ukraine war has triggered a sharp increase in global prices, reflecting heightened uncertainty in energy markets, as seen in the graph. The price of crude oil surged significantly after the conflict began, reaching levels not seen in years. This energy shock has affected production costs, inflation rate, and overall economic stability across many countries. And then the following map illustrates the major energy export routes from Russia to Europe and other regions when these supply chains were disrupted during the conflict. Many countries faced energy shortage and had to seek alternative sources. This situation emphasizes how dependent global markets are on Russia's energy export, revealing the vulnerability of the world supply networks. And in the conclusion is that the Russia and Ukraine war has deeply reshaped the global economy by triggering an energy shock and severe supply chain disruption. This effect has caused inflation, product delay, and increased inequality between developed and developing nations. However, the crisis has also accelerated the global shift toward energy diversification and renewable alternatives. Whether this period of instability leads to sustainable growth or deeper Inequality depends on how countries adapt and cooperate in building a more resilient economic system. Thank you.